It seems like we're in a perpetual cycle of anxiety and excitement about the future. Whenever there's talk of what the world will be like in 2025, there's always this undercurrent of dread. Will our homes be destroyed by climate change? Will robots have taken over? Will the stock market crash and bring down the entire global economy? Or maybe it's a little more utopian. Will teleportation be commonplace? Will we all be living in giant cities that float in the clouds? But here's the thing. We're only 27 years away from 2025. It's not exactly the distant future. In fact, when I was born, we were only 27 years away from the year 2000, and yet somehow that future seemed a lot more distant then than this future does now. Maybe it's because we've lived through so much change so quickly. The way we communicate, consume media, even interact with each other has changed dramatically in just the last decade. So it's hard to say exactly what the world will be like in 25 years. But that doesn't stop us from trying. This phrase, future humanity in 2025, is interesting because it could mean a lot of different things. It could be a prediction from the past about what 2025 would look like. For example, a science fiction movie from the 1980s or early 2000s probably had a pretty rosy view of what 2025 would look like. These predictions often involve technology that would make our lives easier, like self-driving cars or robotic servants. Sometimes they were a little more dystopian, like in the movie I, Robot, which warned of a future where robots could take over the world. Of course, we don't actually know what the future holds, but it's fun to speculate. What do you think the world will be like in 25 years? How will technology change the way we live, work, and interact with each other? Will there be flying cars? Will teleportation be possible? Will robots be serving us drinks at the local bar? Who knows? But one thing is for sure, the future is always closer than we think. So let's enjoy the ride. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.